Hi everyone, welcome to New Sphere. Today we'll be learning how to make snow. All you'll need is one big bowl, 1.5 cups of baking soda, 1/4 cup of hair conditioner, and it's best if it's white color, and we'll just need a spoon for mixing. So the first thing we'll need to do is just pour in that 1.5 cups of baking soda that you have right into your large mixing bowl. And the second thing, we're going to take that 1/4 cup of hair conditioner, and it's best if it's white color. If you have like some fun colored hair conditioner, maybe your snow will be a different color. That'll be fun too. We're gonna pour that all in there and we're gonna start mixing. It's going to feel like there's a lot of baking soda, but just keep mixing through, making sure you're spreading out all of your hair conditioner everywhere. So you can even take all of your snow together and make a huge snowball like this. It really feels like snow. You can break it up again, just like you can with snow. Now here's a great question. Does it look like snow to you? Does it feel like snow? Can you make a tiny snowman with the homemade snow you have? Thanks for watching. Have fun!